Hey guys, Bobby D here again. Thanks for popping in back over here at the BS Zone. As the title says, today what we're going to do, we're going to take the Gen 2 ZX14R out for a rip and see what this bike will top out at. So my Gen 2 ZX14R is a 2017. Now I've got this bike equipped with a M4 full exhaust system. Now this is the only system that M4 offers in the full system. So if you go with one of these, you're getting that loud GP pipe. Now my bike has got a Sprint air filter in it, and it has the ECU flashed and tuned by Hoffer Performance with the Woolwich software. Gearing is stock, meaning I've got the OEM gearing ratio, and really that's it for this bike. I do have a quick shifter on it, but performance parts, that's it. This bike is running just over 200 horsepower. It's making great numbers and a good tune. So let's see what this thing will top out at. All right guys, short and sweet. I really only attached one of the runs. I did a handful of them today. A couple were cut short by some traffic and some other situations, but most of all, a lot of the footage was kind of crummy. My head was in the wrong position, the camera was tilted wrong, and I had a lot of wind noise today. I was not running the internal microphone so you can hear that whistling in the wind and everything. For all the runs, I am running the Draggy device in my pocket to get this data. So today, 189 is what we topped out at today. Again, the bike is running the stock gearing ratio, has a full exhaust system on it, and a flash and tune with the Woolwich software with the max speed limiter disabled. So the bike's making just over 200 horsepower, a good smooth tune, and we were nowhere near 200 on this bike today. Had a little bit of a headwind, and you can see if you look towards the end of the video, there's a little flicker of orange on the dash. You can see the shift light and the rev limiter kicking in right there. But that's it. That's what it is. That was the quickest, the unrestricted run that I had today on the Gen 2 ZX14R at 189 verified with the Draggy. Check back in. We're going to keep getting this bike out. We're going to see if we can get that time up where we think it should, or speed up where we think it should be. And we're going to have some more content out. So check back in, hit the subscribe, hit the like button, follow along. We're going to be taking the ZX14R and the ZX10R out and seeing which one of these bikes are the king of the streets among the Cowies.